Hello friends, let's find out who is the founder of HTML and what is the history of HTML. When we look at the history of HTML has evolved over the years with the introduction of improved set of standards and specifications given below in the diagram. Now let's deep dive into each year and let's see in each year what all things happened with HTML discovery. Tim Berners was the person who designed the tags of HTML in 1991. His main motive was when many developers were working on designing and developing programming languages like C, Java on different fields, Tim Berners-Lee also wanted to contribute and wanted to develop websites to modernize things which every other developers can use to develop some applications. In 1995-1997, he gave many versions of HTML, HTML 2.0, HTML 3.0, and HTML 4.0. He did some rapid development. Now the problem which was coming at that time, all the browsers which was active in that era, they were saying that if anybody wants to load or run the web page in their browsers, then they have to use the same language which web browsers will allow. Now this was the biggest problem for the developers because every developer has to code their web page in different languages to load their web page in different browsers. They had to do something to sort out this. That's why they created a small community group to use HTML, and it was certainly made as a standard in every browser so that every browser can use it, and this was the very first stable version of HTML which was running at that time and still it's running. It was termed as HTML 4.0. In 2000, W3C was the organization which was managing all these things. They released XHTML 1.0, which is also abbreviated as Extensible Hypertext Markup Language. Their main motive was to push HTML towards XML, which was a extensible markup language. So rules of XML they wanted to use and implement it in HTML. It took them 9 years to do that completely, and they came up with new version XHTML 2.0. Their whole manpower was getting utilized in how to push HTML towards XML. Now a new group was formed in 2004 named as WHAT Working Group, abbreviated as Web Hypertext Application Technology Working Group. They said that when HTML 4.0 was already designed and developed and it was stable in the market, then why XHTML, a new thing, was getting designed? They were totally frustrated with W3C people, so they took HTML 4.0 and was continuously pushing HTML 4.0 to use it thoroughly. Now the problem was that there were these two HTML languages in the market. When W3C people saw this all things happening, they took their HTML 4.0 and enhanced it and formed HTML5 to tackle or stop this problem. W3 also stated that they will provide a specific date every time and they will launch versions for this language on those specific dates. At the same time, What Working Group was bringing their HTML as a living standard. So they didn't give any version number. They wanted to make HTML as one go for all the developers without using any version number. Now the question is, what should you focus on? Surely you should focus on HTML5 syntax and start learning about tags and elements used in it, which we will see in the upcoming videos how to use it, and we will slowly move to learn some of the extra new capabilities of HTML5 once you become comfortable with writing clean HTML5. Thank you.